are you going with these goats?
Mama, I'm going to the market to sell them.
Sell them why? Why will you sell Papa's goats?
Her Majesty. So how do I reply you? Should I answer you verbally or do I write them down?
Are your reasons of selling these goats?
Mama, were you not there when I was asking Papa to give me money? I'm taking my degree exams.
Which other money do you need? Have you not collected money for your school fees and your textbooks?
Mama, this is my final exams. It requires sorting. Degree exams, you have to sort. If you do not sort, you will not pass. You understand what I'm saying?
Rufus, don't sell Papa's goats. Don't sell Papa's goats. You have to go and read your book to pass.
Yes.
You know what happened in school. Rufus, your father will not be happy when he comes back and discovers that you have sold his goats.
Okay, Mama, would you rather all the money that was spent in all my university years just get wasted because of the one little thing I did not do in my exams? Let me go, ladies, and sort myself out, do what others are doing, and then pass my degree exams.
Papa will not find it likely with you. Better bring back those goats. So.
And they'll be talking rubbish. What then? What are you?
Oh, come on. See, you will not talk to your son, Mama. Rufus. As usual, Rufus. See, better talk to your son to bring back those goats. So.
But you are here when he just said his mind and left.
Mama, you're not talking to Rufus as a mother. You're not talking to him and not Mama. And I agree with mother talk and
because
every time it's Rufus.
Before you don't insult me.
Mama, I'm telling you.
Don't insult me.
I'm not insulting you.
What is all this?
I'm insulting you.
Every time you be blaming me.
Rufus.
Hey, because consider what I did. Don't blame me because of
nonsense.
That's a big congratulations. One big congratulations. See, it's a very large expanse of land. Yes, this is the pillar for this area. So from here straight to that one I just showed you, to those ones that went to the corner. Who was there in line and I crossed?
Are you sure this land belongs to you?
Will I deceive you? Are these not the papers? No, take the papers, go. They are verifiable. This thing is my father's signature. And I'm the only son and the first son. First and only son. So why are you saying I don't have the right to do it? It's my right.
It's okay. I don't want to be in any trouble because I want to use this land for church project.
Look, even if you want to build Vatican here, you are free. That's what I'm telling you. I have the authentic papers here. They are signed by my father. I am the first son and the only son. Can't get my memory right. I can't deceive you and you know that.
Okay. Are you sure? I don't want trouble, please. That's what I'm saying.
It's alright, okay? Don't worry. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't. Go, you can go.
Excuse me.
No! It draw this thing. Then you can go and do the ones you trust. Let's in the paper here. Now,
okay. Let's go to my house. Maybe I will give you a check. My check is as good as cash.
Check. Can't we?
I will go with you. It's not a problem.
Okay.
I'll pay you. Okay.
Yeah, but you will follow me and then withdraw it from the bank and give me cash. Okay. If you check and then you don't see. Okay, why is Papa holding a knife? Papa can hit him. Okay, Rufus. So is it because of the goat that you're raising knife? Papa, the recommend. Come go quick. Open the water. Makachuku. Hey! How much is goat? I didn't even sell the goat. I didn't even get enough money from the goat. Okay, forget her now. If you don't want it,
Papa, please.
Makachuku. There's no dandy will umbeluma. If for my degree exams, I had to do it. I had to take my degree exams. How else do you think I will fund my degree exams? That I use small goats to
Please, Papa, please. Papa, please. Please, Papa.
I've not touched you and you're slumping.
What are you doing?
Papa! Hey! Stand up! Hey! Papa, I'll shoot at me. Hey! Stand up! Shoot at me. Hey, Papa! You've killed your father!
No. Did anybody come here?
Shoot at me. You might be copy. Papa, stand up now. Stand up! Papa, stand up! Papa!
Okay, no, he fainted. Mama! Don't faint.
Shoot at me.
Papa just fainted.
Papa, wake up!
Mama, don't shout.
Papa, wake up! Papa,
Find him, mother fainting. Mama, is that why your papa is losing? Papa just fainted.
He's not breathing! Papa, he's not breathing! You can't leave me like this.
He's not breathing. Why are you not breathing?
Where are you going? Come on!
He's breathing now.
Where are you going? Come on, get him!
Mama, wait in the
You're the one that
Is Papa not breathing now? Why you say it's not? Mama, I called you out so that we can discuss as a family. You know, it's over 1 month since Papa passed on. So I want us to discuss the way forward for our family.
A way forward indeed. But Rufus, a way forward. See Rufus, see way forward. You've succeeded in killing Papa, and here you are talking about way forward. Do you ever have a way in your life? Do you?
Mama, please, I'm appealing to you. Please beg Chineme to shut up. Because I am controlling myself, and I'm finding it very hard to control myself. It's just because of the period we are in, so that people will not say I have done.
What period? Rufus, are you not happy? Is it not the period you've always wished for? Is it not? You've succeeded in killing him. Come and kill me too. And kill Mama. So you'll be happy.
Are you listening to her, Mama? Please, Mama, I've come to take... Could you even tell her to go back inside the room? Let me discuss with you.
Mama, stop crying. Mama, stop crying. You now know your condition. I don't want your BP to rise again. No? Because...
Mama, you were talking to me. Go ahead.
Rufus, your father was a peaceful man who wanted the best for you. Now you have killed him. Just look at me. You've made me a widow. What did I do to you, my son? What did I do to you?
Mama, even you.
What did I do to you?
Oh, God. Mama, you were there when all this happened. Did I in any way touch Papa? Did I touch him in any way? Why are you accusing an innocent man?
Innocent man. Innocent. Clap for yourself. Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. I don't want your BP to rise again.
God, please help me. Mama, please beg Chineme to leave. I'm holding my anger and I'm begging God. I think it is better that I go. I think I'll go.
You heard her, go.
Because Mama, if I stay here,
leave this place.
I will kill Chineme. I will murder her this way.
But Rufus, you can't do anything, no. You cannot do anything.
I cannot do
you cannot do anything.
I can't do that.
You cannot. You cannot do anything.
You cannot do anything.
You can't do anything.
You can't.
Now we are going to have about 1, 2, 3 songs.
Special.
Yes, that we do. Yes. Because we know that some of these other people are going to challenge us.
Yes.
So when you come out with very, very fine tunes at the very first thing, and don't again, look, you have to go to this thing, and this
learn it very well.
This thing is going to break our goal. Tie something there, either rubber or find something. If a banana.
Okay, I'll make sure I do this.
And then tie the thing.
No problem.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, if there's anybody who has any other song, we will start practicing that so that we can come out with 3 songs.
No problem.
I want you to be following me. One again will start first. Another will.
Or you start.
Yes, don't worry, I will start.
You're getting fast. Go ahead.
Sorry I've not contacted you all this while. Things have been so rough with me in Warri.
Yeah, I understand. I always pray for you and I know you'll make it someday.
I was so pained when I received the news of your father's death. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I've forgotten about it and life goes on.
Was he sick or something?
Yes, he was sick.
Such a nice and a peaceful man.
When did you return?
I returned last night, though my car developed a fault. And it was hard getting a mechanic to fix it. So where are you going now?
I'm rushing to the market. I want to go and get some food stuff.
Okay then, let me drop you.
You just saved me from this rain. Thank you.
So you know.
My son, you're looking so fine.
Oh yes, I'm back.
Oh, thank God.
I'm back.
Hey. You're back. Finally.
Oh yes, finally.
How was your service here?
Mama, fantastic.
Oh my God.
Beautiful.
Finally.
You now have a full-fledged graduate who has finished his national service in your Zama.
Hey! You're a graduate now.
Mama,
how to put down?
I have my certificate.
Hey!
NYSC and all. Who has finished his national service in your Zama.
Hey! My son is still a graduate. Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Hey. I'm so proud of you. Oh, Chima.
Mama, I hope that's
you. Plenty. You know me now. You know what
I trust you, Mama. I trust you.
Oh my son. Let's go inside.
Yes, sir.
My son is back.
Wait. Back. Hey! Rufo! I can't believe this. Mata! Rufo!
Oh! Who am I seeing?
So you're finally finished, Shakati?
Oh, yes.
Come on. How come this one and this one? This one. My friend, this is public place. You are in public.
Hey!
When all of you people, left, this one has gone to National Service City. I had to go and make arrangements and show my own uniform. I went for National Service too.
Yes. Now, anyway, I'm happy to be back home, you know.
How was I learned that you did your own in Bayelsa? How was that?
Yes, man. Bayelsa is very sweet. Eh? What about their food? Talk about their food. Their food is very delicious. And their fish. Okay, what of the power supply? 24 hours power supply where I did my PPA. I'm telling you the truth.
PPA?
Yes.
Which one is PPA?
For you coppers now.
Okay, PP, private practice.
Oh, no, now. No, PPA means a place of your primary assignment. You're supposed to know it. For youth coppers. You know, PPA means place of primary assignment for youth coppers.
For youth coppers?
So
okay, yes, so yes.
They're going to tell me now about where you spent your own.
I was telling them my son in a bad. Don't rest my point too.
Anyway, let me just pay this man.
Pay.
Guy,
Ha! Mata.
Just take it.
We are youth coppers.
Keep the change.
So, Mama, I'll be coming around by next weekend to see you, okay?
Okay, that will be okay, my dear.
What will you buy for me when coming?
Come and see me here.
Here he comes, the man of your house.
I was actually on my way out. I came to see your mama concerning Chineme.
What's wrong with you? Is she sick?
It's not something we can discuss while standing. Why not us go inside and talk?
Go inside and talk. Okay, man. Oh, God, nah. You are telling me to go. If you want to say something, say it here now.
Rufus, what is it now? Why insulting my visitor?
Your visitor? Oh, you have now started having visitor.
Rufus.
Before me and Mama.
He came to ask for your sister's hand in marriage.
Oh, yeah?
He came to marry me.
Ogonna? Yes. Came to ask for my sister's hand in marriage?
Yes.
Okay, and I can understand it. Which of the hands do you want, the left hand or the right hand? Because I cannot give you my whole sister in marriage.
Brother Rufus, stop. Each one a man, I want to marry you.
What is what? Look at her. Look at you. Look at. What qualities does he have? On that you're so muscular, you can protect my sister if anything, any attack comes. Or that you have enough money to defend her in case of any invasion. What do you have? Look at the car you're using, that rickety car that is no longer roadworthy. Mama, we look, let me tell you, even if we are discussing marriage, your marriage, you have to be at the backyard. In fact, you don't have to be around. It's men who talk.
I've had enough, please.
Rufus, I don't like you.
What attracted you? Because no, you knock on wood, they polish you.
Were you not the one that asked her to get married? Now a suitor has come. You are driving him away.
Mama, who is the suitor? This person is not qualified. I asked her to go and get husband to a husband, not a destitute. Mama, we want somebody that can help the family, not somebody that the family will help. Look at you. Come here in this compound next time. I will so deal with you. Look at. Let me tell you. Have you even watched what you think you say you have? Look at that car very well. The tire is another brand. The fender is Volkswagen. The roof is Passat. The tire itself is tire in the truck.
When I want to buy, I buy a complete. Do you have a bicycle?
If I want to buy, I buy a good one. Listen, if you want anything on tire, it is better to go and get somebody like a truck. Now the truck is made of strong tire. And we know that all the body is mahogany wood. Or just on the barrel.
You don't even have a tire.
Is it because of this thing? Mama, is it tires that you want? Tire. Mama, you are in trouble.
It's you that is in trouble. Good morning.
Yeah, morning. Oh, you come, you are sweeping.
Yes, sir.
Your brother Rufus, is he in?
No, he's not home.
Oh, he went out.
No
problem. Do you have any idea where he went to?
No.
Well, if he comes back, tell him that I came. Oh?
I will.
You see, girl?
Alright.
Bye.
Oh, is it a new madness?
Rufo, forget about madness or brother madness or whatever. I have even gone to your house, but you weren't there.
I'll get him.
Just follow me jointly and say, Baba God, thank you.
I'll get him.
I secured a job in Abuja.
You?
Yes.
My Commerce America wonder.
I've secured a customs service job in Abuja.
You are trying to pull my legs. You did not secure any job. When? How?
Look at you.
Pulling my legs.
Oh, look at you now.
I've gone to your house.
Let me shock. In fact, let me shock you a bit.
Don't believe you.
Let me shock you a bit. Look at it. I confess it from my own soul.
That's it. Custom service job that I have been looking for. Drying my blood and cutting myself up and down.
Federal job, custom job. Oh, that honestly.
You say your uncle secured you there. But do you know that it is this custom that I have been trying every way to secure? Look, this is your uncle that helped you. Please, tell him. Now, tell him to secure one for me again so that the two of us can go together.
Yeah. Rufo, I've talked to my uncle about you. You know, this uncle we are talking about now have already secured this job for 5 people.
Then let me be the 6th one now.
Before you won't understand. See, according to what he told me, it's like no more vacancies for you. There's no more slots.
Mata, how come we were doing this thing too? The moment I said, I tell your uncle to help me secure a job, you started dulling your mood.
Rufo is not like that now. Try to understand.
Uncle, I'll call some Jide.
Okay, do you want me to give up my own position?
Jide, you see this custom, I must enter it. Certificate and it cannot be.
Amazon, why are you talking like this?
We are going to be Look, I'm going to drink on this now. That's it.
Any side, any corner, any joint you want, even though you want us to go to hotel.
I am the customer. Huh? Imanko.
This is an appointment letter for one of our clients. Just look at it.
Are you saying that I still have chance of securing custom services job?
Bam. You've seen it now. And our chairman has a lot of slots for me.
Ima, what does it take? What am I expected to do?
Simply 300,000 naira. The job is yours.
300 guinea?
The job is yours. 300,000 naira.
Why will I get that kind of money?
Not to also for it if you need the job.
I need this job more than I need my life. I'm telling you. If you say why I am fighting for this very job, you know exactly that I need it. In fact, I even want to enter as a very big officer. Man, I brought this thing now.
Okay, walk towards it now.
Can they cut this thing, reduce the price?
No. That is the price tag given to me by my manager. And I believe you have my phone number. Anytime you need me, call me.
All right, Emma, thank you.
Thank you very
much. Don't worry, I will know what to do.
Can I help you while you're going?
No, don't worry. You look at me venture.
Okay.
I will phone you.
Right.
I will phone you on this.
Thank you.
Chineme! Come, let's hurry up and go so that we come back before the rain starts. Come, let's go now.
Mama, are you still going to the farm with me?
Yes.
I thought I told you to stay back since you said you're not free.
No, I will manage. You know there is no food in this house.
I can do that on my own now. Is it not just to harvest a tuber of yam or two with some fresh corn? I can do that on my own. Go and rest.
No, I want to go with you. You know, if I stay in the house, I'll be feeling lonely.
If you say so.
What are you doing? My farm! My crops! What are you doing on my farmland?
Madam, I bought this land from Rufus.
Rufus sold this land to you?
Yes.
Mama, what are you people doing? Come and get out of this place.
What are you people doing? How?
Madam.
How manage?
Look, I have the papers. So look at the documents. To show you how serious I am, look at it. The original documents.
Stay! Mama, stop!
Dikeh! My own land! Ah, Dikeh!
Madam, take it easy.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay.
Madam, please, take it easy.
Mama, Mama,
take it easy, madam.
Mama,
take it easy. No, take
Mama,
it
it's
easy,
okay.
please.
Mama, Mama, what? Mama, please stop crying now. You need to take your mind off this issue. You need to get better. Mama, stop crying. Mama, stop crying. Stop crying.
Mama,
Stop crying.
what's the problem? Is Mama sick? Who died?
Rufus!
Mama, stop talking about this issue. You need to get better. Remove your mind from it.
Can somebody tell me what's happening? Morgan?
But Rufus, you're so wicked. You're very, very wicked.
Where's this insult coming from? Where is this insult, Chineme? Morgan?
Rufus,
Mama?
what happened to our land? You know it's only land that we feed from. Why can you be so wicked? My son!
Mama, you know I have been trying to enter into customs for a very long time. And recently they said I should bring a 300,000 naira. That was why I looked for somebody to dispose of the land. But you know that as soon as I enter customs, 1 month, Mama, I will make that money 100-fold. What is that why you're crying?
Brother Rufus, you sold the only land we feed from. You know that's the only land we feed from and you sold it.
That insults me. What's all this?
You're not ashamed of yourself. You're busy selling off our parents' heart. And you're so proud of yourself. You are dear Maggie.
Mama, are you listening to her? Tell her to shut up before I begin to deal with you now vigorously.
We are left with no food in this household. We are left with no food. You are paying for some stupid custom job that you're not even sure whether they will give you. At times I wonder of what shoes you are alive for.
This is the height.
Leave her!
Leave me alone.
Leave my daughter!
Stupid!
Mama! Rufus!
Mama Kunia, don't embarrass people.
Mama, get up! Mama, get up!
Mama Kunia!
Brother Rufus!
Why is insulting me because of money?
Brother Rufus! Mama! Brother! Mama! Brother! Mama!
You killed Mama!
You killed Mama! You killed her!
Look, you killed her! You killed Mama!
You killed Mama! You pushed me!
Why did you fall on her?
Why did you push me?
Why did you fall the other side?
Why will you push me this side? What do you mean? Mama, why did you push me? Come on, wake her up! Oh. Mama, you've killed Mama! Oh, you've killed Mama! Mama! Rufus, you've killed Mama! Mama, wake up! Mama, wake up now! We are playing! Mama! Mama!
You left only me in this world. You left only me. Mama, why do you have to put Mama dead? What will I do? Who will I go, Mama? Who will I go to the farm with? Nobody. Mama, why do you have to? I'm left in this one. I'm left in this one. Leave me alone. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Leave me alone.
Please don't be angry with me. You saw how it happened.
Rufus, you succeeded in killing our parents, Rufus. You succeeded in killing Mama and Papa.
You saw it wasn't my fault. You saw what happened. Don't reject me. It's only the two of us that are remaining.
Rufus, God will not forgive you. God will not forgive you. You will suffer. God will not forgive you.
Because I don't know what came over me. I was never that harsh before. It's only the two of us that are remaining. Can't we talk it out? Because instead of, I'm feeling so guilty now.
Stop following me. Stop following me.
Chilena, please, I'm sorry. Don't make me forgive you. I'm very, very sorry. Biko, my sister. You know, if you condemn me like this now, I'm feeling guilty already. Chineme. You could say I don't know what comes over me. At times when I do these things, I don't even know what I'm doing. Biko, if you condemn me now, I can't stand it.
Rufus, if I forgive you, will it bring back Mama? Will it wipe up the tears and shame you brought to this family? Will it? Rufus, you sleep with married women. You sell people's land at their backs. Everybody in this village knows you as a terrible human being. Rufus, you spend eternity at the bar. You do masquerading and thuggery. What good has ever come out of you, Rufus? What good? You've killed her best.
Emma, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Some of these things, I don't know when those things happen. Biko, I'm very, very sorry. I can't afford to lose you now, Biko. You are my responsibility and you know that now. What will people say of me? Please don't condemn me like this, Biko. I'm begging you.
I will leave this house for you. I will leave this house for you.
You know, you're the only one that I can't stand to condemn me now. Biko.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Leave me.
Biko. I'm
sorry. You don't remember me, do you?
I don't remember you.
My name is Austin. Austin is the son of late Chief Okoro.
Chief Okoro?
Yeah, Chief Okoro of Umoma village.
Chief Okoro, the politician?
Absolutely.
For real?
Yeah.
Where have you been?
Yeah, I've been in London schooling, yeah.
I do come to Umoma to see my uncles, but I stopped hearing anything about you.
Yeah, I've been in London schooling. I just graduated from school.
For real?
Yeah, I just graduated.
Yeah. You're welcome. You're welcome.
So how are you? Well, where are you off to?
I'm going to the house.
Okay, let me drop you up then.
No, don't worry. I'm close. Maybe some other time.
Okay, some other time then.
Take care.
Yeah, you too.
Bye.
Yeah, do have a sweater, okay?
Bye.
Okay, yeah.
What is your manners that you can no longer greet elders when you see them?
Yeah? Catch you. Is it by force? Am I owing you? Is it by force?
Rufus, why should you be insulting elders?
I do not talk to you. And don't open your mouth because I'm going to insult you now.
Rufus, I'm not kissing you. Who
are you? Did I call you as I was passing? I
don't blame you. Everything about this is madness. I got me. I will insult you.
Let's go.
The man that owns this place, they didn't come today?
No, he packed out last week.
Packed out?
Yes.
Do you mean packed out as in packing all their property and going?
Yes, they packed all their properties. Excuse me, sir.
Can be. My 300,000. Pack out. As a man do to me. I hope this is not good. Pack out. Pack out. Hey! 300,000. Packed out. Emma packed out.
He's from Umoma village now, you know him.
Umoma Khan. Who is he?
Late,
It's a lie. That small boy?
Yes.
That tiny boy? Oh, wow. He's so grown. He's the guy, so.
Yeah. He just returned from London.
From London?
He studied there.
No wonder I haven't seen him in a long time. Oh, the prince himself. You see? So this boy eventually comes back for you after a long time.
He's even seeking for my hand in marriage. But I've not said anything.
Your hand in marriage? He's seeking for your hand in marriage since you haven't said anything. Give him your hand in marriage. He can HH.
I've not accepted now.
I will accept on your behalf. These are the kind of people that are going to move us out of this poverty. Not people who do not have hands, who come to demand your hand in marriage. Like the one you call Ogon. And the other one I've forgotten. And I think it's a Ocho passenger. These are the kind of people we need. Oh, how much chief? We come tomorrow. He's coming tomorrow. Then we're going to prepare something. Don't never say no. America, honestly, it is very, very good on your skin. You know, when you were coming, I was saying, you know, America is wonderful on your body, it's good on yours.
Well, I'm actually based in London, not America.
Yeah, but all of them are the same thing.
Yeah.
London, America, open on the other.
Yeah.
In fact, at times, some of us call it London, America.
Yeah, so how has it been on your side?
Well, it's only this my mother's death that is still occupying me, you know, the mood. That is the only...
Well, I received the shocking news of your mother's death. Do accept my sympathy?
That is all right. What do we do? God bring it, God take it. We can ask him questions.
So, how is life treating you now? Have you gotten a job now?
No, not yet. Here, job in this place. It's a terrible thing. Since I finished my school, finished my national service, I have been toiling in the labor market. No job anywhere. No job at all.
What? It's all right. You soon get one now. Huh?
Amen. Oh.
Definitely.
Amen. Some of you people know where I can get it. You will hasten the fast.
Oh, definitely.
I'm ready.
Okay, you are ready now.
Okay, it's like you people are going for outing.
You know now, you know everything.
Outing, I don't want to.
Well, I think I've got something both of us can share. See, you know, looking good for me.
Dollar?
Yes.
200, Richard. Any water? Thank you very much. Chineme, look after him.
Look after me.
Well, look after you yourselves.
Okay.
Look after each other.
It's all right.
Thank you. Yes. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Let us be drinking and be waiting for them to come. Don't know what is delaying them.
You people are complaining that these people are delaying us.
Shall we be waiting for them for nothing?
Are you going to drink because you are happy that they...
Okay, give us the one that you have for us.
Don't worry. They may be on their way. Maybe they tire puncture. No, maybe they are tired. Can't you people stay and wait for your in-laws when they come? I have not even presented. Okay, fine.
Okay, give us the one you have.
This is the one I have. Bring that one, my friend. Have you ever drank with this thing?
Rufus.
Every we can do it. This is called schooner. It's original. And this is for my in-law.
You could take letter.
Oh, you're welcome. No.
I'll go with you.
Yes, sir.
None.
I'll go with you.
You're welcome. Boo. No. There is it.
No, my lord, the food items are meant for you and your kingsmen to share among yourselves.
No.
Didn't you hear what he said? He said the items are for all of us.
Sit down.
He said that these are for us.
Because no. Sit down. No, it's for my in-law.
Because one now, I got one have to go man. I name moment.
He said that he brought these for us and he said it.
We are not observers. We have come for the in-laws.
Everything, only you.
Hey, in-law, this one is special for you. We have been waiting for a very long time.
I said you could help everyone on the way. That's what I said.
Okay. I thought as much. That was what I said.
So my uncle, how did you see the girl?
Austin.
Yes, uncle.
We thank you very much for making our time to take us to the place where you found your new love.
Thank you.
She is very beautiful. With a very good character.
Thank you very much.
But there is problem with her background, especially her parents.
Oh, yeah, I see. I told you they are dead already.
Austin, did you ever bother to ask of what killed her parents?
Yeah, Rufus did not mention it. He just told me that they died last year.
Oh, you only told they are dead.
Okay.
He was the one that killed his parents.
Huh?
He's a cheat. He's a murderer. A thief. An adulterer. A troublemaker. And even a school dropout.
Huh?
Yes.
To crown it all, he even has his own script and very diabolic.
Rufus?
Yes. Everybody knows him. When you mention Rufus, I thought you were talking about another Rufus until I went there with you.
My brother, Tabubo, Baba Kukugeha, Rufus Abu's boom mother at all. But the Pokemon,
huh?
If you are in doubt, go and ask around. Her family, the Kandabolo, it is only 3 that they tell about escorting and she remains standing. Now we have been told the choice is entirely yours.
Huh?
My son, a word is enough for a wise. Emarasu, Suonigwe, Memarasu, Suona Patarabo. Inanu?
Ogbenye nwere ọnụ okwu maka na o nwere ego ma abịa na nke ndị nwere ego okwu ọbụla ga-abụ eziokwu ogbenye ga-abụ eze
ogbenye abụrụkwa eze
Chukwu nna melụ m ọgọ nye m ọgọ ịma na enwere ọgọ nwe ọgọ.
That is true.
What I have is an ọgọ. Look, this guy deals in all currencies.
Absolutely.
Ego buy ego ndocha.
Dollar.
Yes.
Pound.
Hey.
Euro.
Atom.
Kedoza.
Atom.
Tell me every money that has weight you see it in his back pocket.
Hey! Okay. Tell your Ogo to come and buy us drink now.
Rufus. Me, I am happy for you.
They gave me the name of Rufus. I will roof all of you.
It's a rule.
Let me tell you, you see this drink that we are taking is just an advance. On that traditional day, I am going to give God 21 guns salute. I am going to give God 21 guns salute. Banana. Banana.
Yes.
If you don't bring the banana, man, it will give me banana.
Take me as I am. Take me as I am, no problem. Banana. Since you are...
God has made me. Look, all of you are going to eat in this my butter.
Hey! Ogo with Jionya!
Jionya Bogo!
But then my canyonya, my bag, my aunt. Come bring drink.
But no, we are. I'm going to go.
I never find boy again.
Bring the drink!
Now, before. We'll be here enjoying now. Matthias is not here yet.
Woo! Mata promised me that he was going to be here, even yesterday.
So what's going on?
Up till now, Matthias is not here.
I hope all is well.
No. Make sure the bottom when I said. Matthias, why no? Tarantula manage. Ojumpo Gwegu. Oh, I never ate. We'll be here tomorrow. Matthias will be here. Well, this is tomorrow. In
that case, now let's bring our one.
No point. Matthias, who are going to report tomorrow is the event. And you are telling me that Matthias.
No problem. Matthias.
It's all about Matthias. We should be here. Or are we not making a difference?
So, we should drink up.
Let's drink up.
Rufus, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Who are you and what are you looking for?
Actually, I'm looking for Chi.
Who? Chi?
Who Chi?
Chinemem, your sister, sir.
Hey.
Chinemem, my sister. Well, you can see we're in a happy mood. It is on Chineme's head. Chineme is so happy now that she cannot attend to anybody. Because she's having a traditional marriage tomorrow.
Hey!
So if there's any message you have for her, give it to me.
Actually, I'm here to tell her concerning our marriage proposal, sir.
Hey! No, what? It's a marriage. Is it this marriage proposal? The one that she's going to get married tomorrow?
No, it's me, sir. The one with our marriage proposal. Yes, sir.
Marriage to Chineme? Yes. Okay. What do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman.
Okay, go. Oh, that's wonderful. What business do you do?
I'm a successful keke rider, sir.
Business keke? Yes, sir. I said, what are you doing? You said this business. Enjoy business. I said, keke. It's keke business.
That's what I do for a living.
So if I leave you, you bring keke here to marry my son. Maybe when you wed, you will keke wed. Yeah? Before I close my eyes, I do have get out of this.
Maybe he came to collect drink. There's hunger in the land.
Where's the dollar? And you're dying. You're dead.
Come on, use this in there. No, put up a guy, boss. I put a Nikita in our soul, baby. I wouldn't deny that I give this year. I put a new bag. I'm going to be on that. I'm not a kiss. I'm not Mommy is good. Mommy is good.
I'm waiting for them. They're coming.
Which one are you? You not good?
Yes.
You must go. You people are too early. I just saw you now. It was quiet.
Are we not supposed to welcome them?
It's not you're welcome. You might even they will still be far away.
It's good we wait for them.
Hey.
What is happening?
What is wrong with you?
What is it? What is happening?
I think this is giving inspiration.
No. Rufus, we're supposed to wait for him.
This is for my in-laws.
What is happening to you, Rufus?
You are watching yourself, my in-law. Oh, why did you want to 10 naira?
Leave this place now.
Don't be offended.
I'm offended already. What shall we be doing?
Yeah, it's okay now.
This side is sleep.
All right.
That's good.
Hello, baby.
Yeah, I heard the grapevine about your brother being responsible for the death of your parents. You did not disclose it to me, though, but I chose to go ahead with the marriage plans. Well, but after the dreams I had last night about your brother, I decided not to go on with the marriage plans any longer. I'm sorry about that.
Austin, hello? Austin, hello? Hello, wait, Austin, hello? Austin, hello? Hello?
Why we want to stop this marriage? You cannot just stop it.
Hey!
You cannot be serious. Hello? 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 Hello, good. Ah! Chukwe! You can't do this to me. But how do you go too late?
Austin. Austin.
Hello?
Austin.
Hello?
Austin.
Ha! Kevin, you must have done something to him. Hello, Zanonomo. We need a phone. Pick. Hi! Can I pick up? Green.
I didn't do anything. Hey! Very fast. You must have to go.
That will save me. If you know the amount, the last money in my pocket, I used it to buy chocolate liquor. Everything I have, I use it to prepare for this. I come out with a canopy. It's either an ambulance and get my money back. I become worse than you created me. Canopy, I can't go over. How about when they go? No, sir. And you want this to stop now? It will not stop. If this thing you want me to be a criminal, because I'm going to thief somebody's money to repay the balance. Augustine, it cannot happen.
What is wrong with me? Why is my own so different? Everything I put my hands into is turning negative. Why? Why? Look at the only opportunity I have to have a brother-in-law who is very, very rich. The thing has now scattered. My sister will no longer marry a rich man. Hey, I'm doomed. How am I going to face the villagers? They will jeer at me. They will make fun of me. Ha, Rufus. I don't have money. The only way I would have gotten money is by this my rich in-law. Now rich in-law I don't have. Custom services job I don't have. Why me, Chineke? Why me? Where do I go from here? Do I go back? Do I stay in this very village and face the shame? No. The shame will be too much. I think I must leave this village. I must accomplish my ambition. I must become a customs officer by all means. Not after taking that shame. I must. God help me. I must. Hi. What is this?
Austin, how dare you? How dare you make a mockery of me before my people? How dare you?
I'm sorry I hurt you, okay? To set my head.
I don't understand what you're talking about. What are you talking about? I never had any bad intention towards you, and you know.
But your brother does.
My brother?
Yes, your brother does.
How? Did he say anything to you? Did he insult you?
Look, baby, it matters no more, okay? I had to back out to save my head, just like I told you, okay?
Austin, you will suffer. Austin, you will never see anything good in your life. You will suffer, Austin, for doing this to me. Austin, you will suffer. Austin.
Okay, it's okay. Let's get out of here. I have a meeting chat.
Austin, you will suffer. This shall never be well with you, Austin. This shall never be well with you.
Serving the country, working for the people, for the economy. mago, pay your duty. If you want to settle, bring the money. Custom officer, serving the country, working for the people, for the economy. No mago, pay your duty. If you prefer to settle, bring the money.
No!
Hey!
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you wearing?
Well, I know you must be very, very surprised.
I am.
Sorry, I did not tell you. You know, I had to go to Cameroon after all this turbulence. And I enrolled in customs.
Are you serious?
Oh, yes. And in fact, I had very quick promotions. I am now an assistant deputy controller general.
That is nice.
I'm almost in charge of almost all the inspectorate division.
Really?
Yes. So I'm now home.
So you no longer work there?
No. They had to post me to home branch because they say there's a lot of katakata around here, so they need a very strong customs officer to come and handle it.
Let me help you take your bag inside.
Okay, so
I'm so happy for you.
So how have you been managing?
Well, I've been trying.
Be careful, oh, there's a loaded customs pistol in that very thing, so that it doesn't. No, don't worry, carry it in. It's not going to offload. Okay. Just be very, very careful. Well, wait. Yeah, hello. Whiskey, over. Whiskey, Charlie, yes, over. I received your message, over. Yes, over and out. Audible.
Brother, I'm ready to go out.
Okay, hey, when you are ready, remind me, let me give you something you drop for Alfonso's. When you after preparing, remind me.
I'm ready to go out now, I'm ready.
Like this?
Like how now?
Chineme, why did you start dressing like a prostitute? Did you look at the mirror before you come out with this? Look at how skimpy the thing is. Look at your chest. It's almost vacant.
Yeah, but I don't know what you're talking about though. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm ready to go out now.
Will you go inside and do this thing?
In Atakosu. I want to go out though. I'm ready to go out.
Go!
Hey, brother!
Go inside!
Brother, we're getting one, brother!
Come on, go inside! Wear proper dress. If I wear the plover. If not come, I'll give you a castle. You up and the
What Dikeh? Kelkwam?
Odima.
You remember me?
Not really. I do come in contact with a lot of people on daily basis.
Come on, Angel. I was the guy you were with last night at the club.
Oh, really? Hi.
I'm fine. I guess you're ready for me now?
Of course.
Come on, Poppy, let's go look for a very cool place and of course start there with. Come on, come in, girl. Okay.
Why will this girl resort to prostitution?
I'm not surprised. She and her family look cursed. Hey!
But wait, is she doing this out of frustration or what?
Is she the only person that has Suto abandoned on her wedding day? Okay, what she has resorted to, is it the way out?
Just imagine. Look at what she's putting on. Was there overnight?
Hey!
Hey! Onye melu nwe ihe a ọ ga-adịrị ya na mma.
Akwụna, that is what she has turned herself into.
Nne m, biko ka anyị na waiba isi.
Hey. Yeah. What is this girl? Chineme hunger. Chineme. Chineme. This one does. Chineme. Chineme.
Wake up now, I need to leave.
Aren't you sleeping over, Angel?
Haven't you had enough? I better come and drop me, let me go.
Angel, I heard. Just that I needed you around so I could sleep in your arms.
Ejika, I no get time for that one. I better give me my money, make I go.
Must you go? Stay at least for a while now.
Okay, Ejike. I promise I'll stay next time. If you get the money, I no get wahala. But as for now, make I get the one I don't do. I get something I won't go do for house.
Babe, what be your own? Tell me, the guy where they go see, in they tight more than me? In they more handsome than me? In they more better than me? Babe, relax, John.
Jealousy, you too jealous. Give me my money, make I go, I beg.
Yourself, you too like money.
You know like what you do.
As we do, so you know they enjoy them.
I beg, give me my money. If I dey enjoy and make I come.
Like money, John. How much self why they even give you?
That's how they go to count money to give person like.
Take this one first.
I bet I'm 2K. Hey, Dikeh.
Baby girl.
It's okay.
La baby, la sweet.
You don't say I they give you anytime. You say.
Baby, sweet.
Come and drop me, I beg.
So who's the when they come back now? Babe, left from here. I would like to have you anytime, any day, any minute.
I bet you said this money reach 15,000.
Babe, I will put fuel for motor now. Get some other things.
Where could they go?
La baby, la sweet.
My oh my! Rufo! Rufo! Hey! Hey! Oh! Hey!
What happened? Look at me and look at you. Eh? Mata, you're not looking bad, though.
It's God, though.
Abuja man, say that.
Thank you. Hey!
So, what are you still doing in this village? Matthias, you know what my problem has always been, and the problem is still there. I don't know what is wrong. So what do? I don't have any other reason. I just sat down. You know you left us now and ran to Abuja. If you never
well, they are there and I'm here.
What kind of language is that? What happened?
My brother, to be honest with you, all is not well.
Again?
I'm telling you the truth.
What happened?
I have been expelled from custom duty.
It's a lie. Okay, man. How? When? Where?
Rufo, the moment I got into this office, custom duty, one idiot like that exposed me to the ways of illegal money. I thought I'm doing something good. You know, he said through this means you will support your allowances, you get more money. Before, without knowing, I'm choking my hands inside fire. You now got me expelled. How? This balogo of a man that got me into this trouble, his father was the DCG of our custom, was the DCG in that of our office.
Which one is DCG?
DCG is Deputy Controller General.
Oh, General, yes, Deputy Controller General.
So because of his father happens to be the senior, the overall
the DCG now.
Yes, they expelled me and then leave the man. The idiot! So surprised. Imagine.
I'm not surprised. You are welcome to the club. In this country, it is a very common thing. Once we have people, only one mother, they will use the all first, and they will use as manure. And why did you eventually? Why did you even put your hand into this kind of a thing? You have gotten a nice job and all that. Why?
It wasn't my fault. I thought I was doing something good to myself.
Anyway, Mata, I'm happy you're back.
For what kind of wish is this?
I am happy that you're back.
Are you the one bewitching me?
Mata, there is something I am cooking. There's a pot on the fire now. Now that you have come back, you're going to help me put it down.
I don't understand. What exactly are you trying to say?
Relax. You are going to help me achieve it and we'll make good money.
Rufo! You know, I trust you because in this your brain you have a lot of business acumen.
Don't worry, you will see.
You sure it will work?
Good, cool money. Don't worry, I have something like I told you. No, don't worry. Listen, you know the reason why I called you people here. Now, I have a plan. Meanwhile, I have given some of you people hints, but I haven't told you. I want us to form a customs unit in this village.
Huh? Custom?
Yes. Customs unit. People are doing police, fake, and all this, but where the money is in custom. What are we going to be doing? All these people that bring flashy cars, all the new things, if we see anything that was brought into this very village, that cannot be ordinarily bought in the market, we go to the person and ask questions. If the person cannot answer the question, he pays. You understand? We are going to sew uniform. Customs uniform. Yes, and give ourselves ranks. Okay. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
But I don't think the way I see Salas, I don't know whether your hair you cannot use it to wear uniform because they will know.
Rufo, let it not be that I'm cutting you short. Better say let him barb the hair.
Barb again.
This same way, that's the way they're gonna make it. A red zone, no try.
I know he will not barb it. So what he's going to do, we're going to bring uniform for 1, 2, 3 of us. Okay. We'll leave him out of it. Okay. But your own job is even a very major job. You have to be nosing around the village. Anybody you see that brought in something that is not usual.
Receipt.
No,
no, it's not receipt.
No, we don't have for receipt.
Call it custom import duty.
Hey! Yes. Mataya!
Yes. Fine.
Import duty line.
You know he has been in custom, so he has to give us all the gist.
Mataya!
Yes.
You understand?
But he was sacked too.
But he has met the office. That's the major thing. If you see anybody that wants to import or export good, you refer him to us and say, we are consultants.
I'm good at giving information. In fact, I'm now an informant.
With this, we can make very big money. You know, people regard us as loafers in this village. We are going to make money.
Rufo, I'm seeing sense in what you are saying, but I'm perceiving danger. So,
what kind of danger?
What of if this thing turns out now and backfires?
If it backfires, if you are the person that makes it backfire, it will backfire on your head. That's why we have to be very careful.
See, Matthias, say your name now, Matthias, no means say you go to think like people of Old Testament. think straight. Reason well.
Iche Iru, Iche Azo. When you think of the good, remember the ugly.